Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Blue Boy FX once again. So before I go further, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. If you haven't watched my previous videos, at least the last two videos, I bet you should go and watch it because you are going to enjoy it. And there's a coupon for free entry. There's a coupon for free entry into our VIP. So make sure you join us and watch the video so that you can find out the coupon. Once you send me the coupon, I'm going to add it to the VIP for a limited time and you get your trades. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you want to join our free Telegram channel, the link is on the description of this video. And for those of you that want to join the VIP mentorship, account management, and Profem challenge passing, check the description of this video. You're going to find the link to my WhatsApp and you can text me directly. So today I want to show you guys something, and I want to show you the reasons why you shouldn't fully depend on indicators. Why you shouldn't fully depend on indicators. So this is an indicator setting I've been using. I've shown to you guys in my previous videos, but always with a touch of price action, and that makes it better for us. Since the beginning of this month, we are yet to lose a trade and we are waxing stronger. So if you check my former videos, you're gonna find me showing you our VIPs, how you're winning and all of that. So now I want to show you something else right now. So this is the Boom 1000 and this is the higher time frame. Of course, I have my analysis. We have our support where market rejected from, and this support, this white horizontal line, was gotten on the 4-hour time frame. You see this is a major support, and I always talk about trading with higher time frames. Of course, these are things you're going to learn if you join the mentorship program. I'm going to teach you all these things. So that's by the way, and now I want to show you why you shouldn't depend fully on indicators. So let's say that we are using the 5 minutes time frame to work on this. Now this is what is happening at this point. Now that market has gotten here, what do you expect? You expect the market to start selling, and when selling down to this level before you now go in to catch spikes. But now you can't do that. Why? Because this market is an uptrend. It's an uptrend. If you look at the 4 hours, you've seen that market has been buying. Of course, this was from yesterday's what do we call it, analysis that I got this. But this line here has been from our former analysis. So although I expect this place is a resistance, so if this place should be broken, let me put my, okay, that is a resistance, and if that place should be broken, we'll wait for it to retest before buying up to this level again, or here. You see this place here, then we know what to do. But now, as I was saying, this is the H4, and you've seen that market has been buying back up, broken, and it has broken this downtrend here to buy. Okay, and also if you check on the 1 hour time frame, you'll see that it is basically an uptrend going there. You've seen that market has just been buying up. So these are things you have to consider first before going into the trade, before using these indicators. Like now that you've seen it's an uptrend, at this point, what do you expect? You expect market to start selling down, but this market is not going to sell down because it's an uptrend. So what are we waiting for? We are waiting to see if it's going to break this horizontal line. Okay, if it's going to break the horizontal line, let me put it on a higher time frame. If it's going to break this horizontal line, this our resistance, retest it and keep buying. So at this point, this was the best place to enter the trade from, this level here. Once market got here again, you went up, retested this zone and started buying. So that would have been the right time to go into this trade. But now that the market has gone further, we just have to play patience. That's why you have to watch my former video to see how patience played a huge role when we were dealing with the crash. I think it was a crash 300 thereabout. Now let me show you crash 300. Was it 300? I think so, yeah. So at this level here, we had to wait for market to buy before it started selling. And had it been we held the trade till now, we'll be in massive profit. You can just watch my former video to confirm what I'm saying, and you're going to enjoy it. So let's go back to the boom 1000. So now, as I said earlier, we expect market to just want to see if it's going to break that support, that resistance, and move back up. So now, as I was talking about the indicator settings, now normally, what do you expect? You expect market that once it gets to this overbought region, it should start selling, but that's not going to happen because seeing before you even use indicators, make sure you know the trend where the market is going to. Is there an uptrend, is it a downtrend, or what's going on before you can actually get into the market? Because if you move into the market blindly because you want to catch you want to scalp, this is a good time to catch spikes because it's buying, it's going up, and we've seen that this is a triple, close to a triple bottom, but not really that. But you just have to be sensitive about it. So now that's why I'm saying you can't fully depend on indicators. Using price action helps you get these things in place. So now you've seen that market might actually start rejecting from there. Let's see if it's going to actually start rejecting there, or it's going to break that zone, retest it, and keep buying. So there are things you have to put into consideration. Okay, there are things you have to put into consideration. All these things play huge roles. If you listen to all what I say, I keep talking about using price action because that's the best. It helps you predict the market purely, just like we're able to do that on the Crash 300 and even on the VIX 75. Yes, the VIX 75. We went in for a sell. We got, was it a buy? Yeah, we got into the buy and we made massive profits. And let me show you this trade. Okay, so this is the before and after of this, how it started. This is where we got into the trade from. That's before the market started, and this is how it went before telling them to close. Market bought and gave us over $200 on each position before going to close, and here it is, giving it to the VIPs to win. And I was already telling them that we should be cashing out on the VIX 75 soon because there was a retest, and of course that retest took place at our support that I found. So that's why price action is the best to use. Indicators works, but I can't actually say it should deal fully on indicators. Okay, I can't actually say it should deal fully on indicators. Here is another one. Price action. This was the 51s. You see that we went in for a sell, although it was not from this the white horizontal line at 621511.40. But once market dropped, retested, that's when I got, and there was a huge rejection here. That's when we got into the trade and we took our profit here before the market smashed us. Okay, so guys, make sure you join the Blue Boy team. If you want to join the VIP, hit me up. Check the description of this video. You're gonna find the link to our free Telegram channel, and you're also going to find the link to our to my WhatsApp number in case you want to hit me up for anything. And also, always note that there's some candlesticks you have to look out for at support and at resistance. Okay, some candlesticks you have to look out for at support and resistance. They actually help. Like now, if this this present 1 hour candlestick could close, if it could close in another way, like it doesn't close like this, it gives me another kind of candlestick move, then I'm going to be able to know if it's going to come down or it's going to keep going up. So sometimes how the candlestick closes actually plays a huge role in how the market is going to go. Okay, how the market is going to go. So there are things you have to consider. You have to learn these things. You can still read some books. Okay, you can read some books about things that you don't know about trading. You can't just jump into it because with price action you're going to be winning trades, and you have to be very patient. Why should you be patient? Let me show you. Let me talk about this. For instance, now you came and you saw the market maybe at a certain region. Now what you have to do is for you to wait for that market to get to maybe your support, your resistance, or your trend line level, or you see a candlestick that is very, very that gives you a short entry. they can get into it. Okay, and with price action, you're able to keep your stop loss at a certain level. So imagine now that we are going for a sell on the boom. So I'm just going to put my, if I'm to go into a sell on this boom, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to put my SL around this region here, depending on your lot size too. You should also know the lot size you're using. So I might be putting my SL around here, if not around here, because this is a 1 hour time frame though. So I'll be putting my SL somewhere around there. If I should twist my phone to the landscape, I'll be able to see it clearly. So I'll be doing that so that I'll not lose much, because from that distance to where my SL will be is not going to be too much for me. Okay, it's not going to give me too much losses. So guys, make sure you use this. So now I'm going to show you how to use these indicators, but you can't depend, as I said earlier, you can't depend fully on indicators. Okay, so you have to know the direction of the market. As I've said earlier, the direction of the market is very important, and this one is showing us that it's an uptrend. So now it has gotten to a certain resistance level, which a certain resistance level which I was able to detect on the 4 hours. Okay, it has gotten to a certain resistance level, and let's see if it's going to break that level, because the last time market got to that level, that's where it started rejecting from. So let's see if it's going to still stand. Of course, we're seeing rejections already. As you can see on the 5 minutes, there's been a rejection. Let's see the 15 minutes candlestick is showing rejection. The 30 minutes as well is showing a rejection. Let's see if these rejections are going to actually count, because that is a resistance. So let's see if that resistance will hold. If it holds, you know that if you're going for a sell. So what are you going to look for? You're going to wait for it to pull down, show us a bullish candlestick. Let's see if it's going to work. So guys, make sure you join the Blue Boy team and let's make money together. Join me, or you check on the description of this video. As I said earlier, you're going to see every information you need to get to me. We are running a promo at the moment, and you can get on our lifetime for $60 only, and it's going to last for a certain time. People are already joining. We're having new subscribers, and also if you want to join the mentorship, we're going to give you a slash price. Okay, so hit me up. Let's make this money together, and make sure you learn so that you can stay anywhere you are to make this money on your own, or you can stay anywhere you are to trade on your own without waiting for signals. Okay, we are waiting for signals, and in our VIP, we only give high probability trades. So that's why I always tell my people to make sure they get their Profirm account, because people are passing their Profirm. Like this account right now is a Profirm account. Let me show you something. We got this account we got this account on the 6th, and today is 11th, and we've been able to make a total of let's see, we'll be able to make profit of 2,700 on this trade, and we are still going higher. So make sure you guys stay join us. Let's help you pass your Profirm. Let's help you make it in the forex market, and you're going to enjoy it. Thanks for watching. And I talked about the indicator settings, how to use it. Watch my former video, and you're going to see that the settings itself, and you're going to see how it works. But make sure you know that if it's a downtrend, you look for selling positions, but it's an uptrend, you look for buying entries. Okay, all right guys, so earlier we talked about the boom 1000, looking out to see if it's going to break that resistance level, and it has done just that. It has broken that resistance level, but right now I can't get into this trade. As a trader, I can't actually just get into this trade, so I'm going to wait to see if there will be a very huge pullback, at least to a certain level. Although market might still be buying, of course we're waiting for it to break. You see, broke, retested this region. Okay, let's use the 15 minutes. See, so it came down, retested that region, and started buying up. This is what we actually were looking out for. So what you looked out for, just that we are late, what you should look out for, that's why you don't have to look at too many pairs. What you should look out for is a breakout, okay, a break, rejection, and a pullback, and it keeps buying. Then on this side, we were also looking at, there were two things involved: either it breaks this zone, this resistance zone, or it respects this resistance. So now this resistance has now turned into a support. So now we have seen that the uptrend is still in vogue, because I said earlier it's an uptrend, so we look for buying entries. Okay, but if it was a downtrend, we look for selling entries. Hey, good morning, everyone. It's your boy Blue Boy FX, and I'm here again on the Boom 1000. Earlier on, we talked about Boom 1000. If because we were waiting for it to break this our resistance, which turned to a support, and by the time we got back to the market has already moved, and that's when I said I'm late. I already told the VIPs that we missed out on it. Yeah, somewhere here. I told them that we've missed out. Okay, something was cooking on being 1000, but we missed out on it because I was late. I wasn't on the chart to see when the pullback came for us to get into a buy. But this morning, after waiting for like around 20 hours or thereabout, for this market to come down to this level, we got it around here, but we had to wait for this market to pull back. And I talked about it previously that I'll be waiting for a pullback to retest this zone, then we go in for a buy, and that's what happened. By the time we woke up this morning, we saw market as this region, so we decided to go in for a buy because it has come down to this support. You know what, it was a resistance, but this resistance now has turned to a support. So once it came down here, we got in for a buy, and we are in huge profit. And the VIPs, of course, they are winning. So patience plays a huge role when it comes to price action. So guys, make sure you don't miss out on this. Make sure you don't miss out on this. Join the Blue Boy team for mentorship. Hit me up. I'm going to teach you how to trade effectively and make money. Of course, you've seen we've been winning all our trades since the beginning of this month. We are yet to lose a trade, and we are into the second week, I guess. So make sure you join us. The VIPs, they are winning, so make sure you join the VIP. We are running a discount at the moment, so make sure you hit me up and let's stay in profit together. So this is why you need price action. With this, you can pass your profit easily. We've not lost a trade since we started, and we are still in huge profit. So guys, make sure you don't miss out on this, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and you're gonna enjoy it. See you guys on the next video. Alright guys, this is the end part of this video. So we've been able to hit at our TP on the with my VIPs, and it's time to pull out. Although another thing to look out for right now is to see if there's going to be another rejection, okay, to retest that present support, which was the resistance. And you've seen that we've been able to make profit out of it, and this trade has been very helpful. Thank you to price action, because we had to wait for market to come down to this level and buy back, and you've seen that we've made massive profit from it. So thank you guys for watching this video till this very moment, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share to your friends, join our free Telegram channel, and also join our mentorship if you're interested. So thanks for watching this video. See you guys. Bye.